Started pulling up tile in the kitchen, and come to find out there's linoleum under the tile. So the tiles are coming up a little easier than being glued right to the concrete, but still a little tough. Got to get all this tile up. I'm going to do half a room at a time. As you can see, got stuff moved over. Next I'll be pulling up the carpet and the padding. Then I'll be putting the flooring in and come back with some shoe molding to finish it off. But I get all this tile up first, and then the island right there will turn sideways. Relocate it a little bit. So this is my condo project that I'm working on for a good friend of mine, and hopefully be finished all the floors throughout the house into March maybe. We'll see. I'll keep you informed. Okay, Shepherd Visor is keeping an eye on me. HD. Nonchalant look. Anyway, it's starting to echo in here. Got more than half the room taken out. Carpet, padding, staples, tack strips. What I'll do is I'll put all the planking down here after I paint this wall. Take everything off and paint the wall. Got a couple cracks I gotta fix. Then I'll come over here, pull out some more tile today. This island is not setting on the tile, so that's a plus. It's going to be moved anyway. Slowly but surely this job is going to get done. I just checked the floor for level, and I knew there was a sag right here by the door, as you can see by the outlines, but I didn't realize it went all the way down. I have a big bag of self-leveling, but I don't think it's going to be enough. So this whole section has to be leveled up a little bit because I'm putting planks down, and it's about a 1/4 inch here off this ridge, and down there it's about 1/8. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this whole trough and use my straight edge to level it, and that'll take a day to dry. I'm already working on the walls, getting them all the holes filled. Had a crack up there I had to fill, and I had a crack over here from the hurricane almost 2 years ago I had to fill, and there'll be some more over there. There's some more up there I've got to take care of. So little by little, the house is a wreck, but we're making progress. Here is how you find your low spots. I've just got that up there to hold a straight edge, and you can see my low spot. Goes right up to that line, right up to here. So I don't know who did this concrete, but they did a terrible job. Uh-oh. Somebody wants to come in. Anyway, so I showed got that dip filled in. Let me tell you, when they say 15 minutes, they mean 15 minutes when this stuff sets up. This was a two-man job for sure. So right now, though, I've got the end here painted. And now I'm doing the baseboards. And then what I'll do is I'll come in and start putting the floor down. Then once I get over half the floor done, then I'll move all this stuff to this side of the room. Do the same thing on the other side. Getting close, getting close. And so it begins. The wall's not very straight. I'm trying to keep this pretty straight. First row. Getting there. And of course, who's watching me? Who's watching me? Always watching me. Okay. And it's run up under the door also, which is a pain in the butt, but got it.